All right, so this one we are going to go ahead and make a square. First thing we want to do is to just draw a segment. The length of the segment is not too important. We're going to go ahead and draw that segment there. Next, we want to bisect this segment. We want to create a perpendicular bisector. So yeah, let's go ahead and create a perpendicular bisector. Stretch the pencil out over halfway the length of the segment. Let's go ahead and make our half circle. Doesn't need to be a full circle. Move the needle to the other side. We're going to go ahead and again make another half circle. All right. We are going to draw a line from where these circles intersect down all the way through to the other side. And so this is the first side of our square right here. Next, we're going to set our compass to that length. If I can get my needle there. And adjust this in. I'm going to go ahead and make a full circle here. Now that we have our full circle, we know that this is the second side, because this is the radius for the same circle. Those radiuses will be the same length. Now we need to create another 90-degree angle right here. So we're going to have to make a perpendicular bisector. One here. This will be one of our half circles, but the issue is we're going to need to put our needle over here somewhere, and it needs to be the same distance on the other side. So I'm going to put my needle here, make a small mark, and I want to continue this line out. So I'm going to pull my ruler back up here, and I want to continue this line out. So this will be the other side. So I'm going to make two circles here. One with the center here, one with the center here. We just need to remember these circles need to stretch a little more than halfway. So right now I'm not quite halfway and my pencil is going crazy. So I'm going to unlock this, stretch this to be a little bit further. I'm going to make another half circle. After I make that half circle, I'm going to move the, oh, that's not good, that moved. I need to put it back to this length. So now it's locked. All right, now I can move it. Move the needle to the other point and make another half circle. All right, so I'm going to draw a line connecting these two half circles. They should go through that point. Now, the length of this line, I don't know if that's quite the right length. The only way I can double check that is by putting my compass back on the previous corner and stretching it to this length, okay? Bring my needle here. I want to check to see if this is the right length. And what do you know? It actually does happen to be the right length. So that is the final corner. As you can see, if I make this mark, that right there is my final corner. So I'm going to connect this point back over here, and I have my square. This is my square. I'm going to make some marks here to indicate that all these sides are the same length. And I'm going to make my little 90-degree boxes, show that these are 90-degree angles. There we are. There's our square.